This is the image of a movie poster with text The Age of Deception, which is created by Imagen Ultra 4. This is a book cover like a fantasy magical stories, which is also created by Imagen 4 Ultra, and you can see the text is pretty good here. This is also created by Imagen 4 Ultra, which is a product packaging style. And this is a logo that I created for my YouTube channel with Imagen 4 Ultra, and you can create this type of image with exact text for free. So Imagen 4 is now available in Gemini API and Google AI Studio, which I already covered in last video. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create text in your images, the perfect text that you want to create high quality images like this. So they're saying that you should keep it short, limit text to 25 characters to less or for optimal generation. So this is the prompt that they use to create this text. You can guide your prompt to inspire the font style, and also you can specify a font size for general indication of size. So whenever you want to add text in your image, you should give this quotation mark for the text that you want in your image. As you can see, this is an example for a prompt of a logo, a minimalist logo for a healthcare company on a solid color background. And these are the results for another logo for another company, which is also looking pretty good here. So I'm going to show you how you can also use these tools for free. You just need to come to Google AI Studio, aistudio.google.com, and if you go to this generate media option, you can see here is the Imagen, which is also new. Click on this and you will find the model of Imagen 4, and under there you can find the Imagen 4 Ultra preview. So I have created some prompt in ChatGPT with text, as you can see. So I like this one, an ancient book floating in mid-air, and this says the stories never end, they just find new readers. So I'm going to generate this image for a realism aesthetic look with this text. So I'm just going to copy this and you just need to paste it here, and you can choose the aspect ratio in the right corner. So for this image, I'm going to choose 4.3 aspect ratio and click run. And you can only create one output per prompt. If you choose Imagen for preview, you can create 4 result output per prompt. So as you can see, this is a aesthetic realism photo that is also give me the text here, which is exactly the same. Stories never end, they just find new readers. So this is the font style that in this image, because I only told it to in classic Swift. So that's why it gave me a classic style font in the right corner, just like include text at bottom right. So you can change your prompt to change the font, script and text where you want to add the text on your image. Just like that, I create a book cover which the style is going to be like Harry Potter fantasy magical book. I just told ChatGPT to give me the prompt, and this is the detailed prompt that ChatGPT gave me, and paste it into the Google AI Studio. And if you want to change anything, you can read the prompt, like at the top of the cover, place the title in a magical serif or hand-drawn fantasy font. You can change it to any type of font that you want. Like I changed the text now to Merlin, which will be a great font for a magical or a fantasy book cover. Let's see, it can create the prompt here. So I'm going to choose the 3.4 aspect ratio and click run here to show you how you can create a beautiful book cover for your own book, or you can sell the book cover in online. So as you can see, the book cover has now printed. I don't know if this is the same Merlin fonts that I want, but it's good enough. And you can see it's pretty amazing to create any type of book cover for your own purpose. So that's it guys. These are some use cases that I showed you. You can now add text to create any type of picture that you want. So if you found this video helpful, I'll show you more use cases in future. So make sure to subscribe my channel because I always come up with the latest and AI tech tutorial video. So thank you for watching.